Hello, dear. I'm 6 months post relaxer, and today Dark and Lovely is coming to the rescue. Wait till you see this soft textured finish. Let's get into it. I use Dark and Lovely regular no lie hair relaxer kit, and guys, this relaxer has everything that you need for this process, guys. It came with gloves and everything else. I'm going to show you an up close, and guys, everything you need is included in this kit, guys. So I'm going to show you everything, but first I'm going to wear my gloves before I mix the chemical. Yeah, so wear your gloves, and these rubber bands were included in the package. Yeah, so for step number one, we are going to use this cream relaxer and activator, and step number two we'll use this shampoo, step number three restoration treatment, step number four wonder pushing leave-in conditioner. So we're going to start by mixing our cream relaxer with our activator, and then we'll do the relaxing process. Yeah, so I'm just going to open both the sachets of the relaxer activator, and then I'm going to mix everything until it's properly mixed, guys. Mix everything from the top all the way to the bottom. Make sure you mix everything. That is if you want to use the entire relaxer. So if you want to use like half, if your growth is not too much, mine was like 6 months, almost 7 months post relaxer, so the growth was like too much. It was too much. Yeah, and I also cut off my hair, like 3 inches of my hair in April, and yeah, that's why my hair was a little bit short, but the growth was long inside there, guys. Like I couldn't even comb the hair. The growth was too much. And make sure if your hair is not like soft for you to comb it, don't force it, guys. Don't force it. If the comb is not passing through, don't force it. Use your hands, because you don't want to have any wounds before you relax. That will cause you to have burns, and you have to avoid that. So make sure you apply your Vaseline all the way right around on your forehead, on your ears, on your neck, everywhere. Be very, very generous with the Vaseline, guys. It will save you from burns. Yeah, be very generous. Apply as much as you feel like, all the way. Apply it, guys. Don't be shy. Apply it. Yeah, so like I said before, guys, I'm using a no lie hair relaxer, so it's gentler on the scalp, less likely to cause any irritations or burns, and that is if you don't keep it for too long, and that is if you don't have any wounds on your scalp. So make sure you don't have any wounds on your scalp, and don't comb, like, in fact, prevent combing your hair before the relaxer to avoid getting burns or anything like that. This is a chemical, guys. Yeah, so apply your Vaseline also on your hands, and make sure the chemical is mixed properly. So I'm going to section my hair into three, and guys, the growth, like, I couldn't comb underneath there. I just left it like that, and it was also good. That way I won't get burns on my scalp, so don't force it. Yeah, so right here I was trying to section my hair with a comb, but the growth was like, no, not today. So I started using my fingers all the way up. I was using my fingers. I didn't use any comb. Yeah, and guys, I didn't get any burns, no burns at all. My scalp didn't get any irritations, anything like that, guys. Yeah, so it's going to be a little bit messy, but we got there, guys. We got there, and the end result was really good. Yeah, so don't be scared. This relaxer, no light relaxer, is not too strong like a light relaxer. So if it gets on the hair that is already relaxed, don't be scared. Just leave it there. As long as you don't comb, it won't change the texture. It will still have the same texture. So for it to change the texture, you have to massage it, comb it, or do anything to it. If the relaxer just goes there and you don't do anything to that hair that is already relaxed, nothing is going to change. It's not going to cause any damage. So don't be scared if it gets too messy. Yeah, that is DIY, guys. It's not going to be perfect. It's going to be a little bit messy, but yeah, we are going to love the end results, and we are not going to be scared because we're using a non-light relaxer. Yeah, if it was a light relaxer, I wouldn't do this myself. Yeah, I would straight go, like, I would go to the salon and get it done by a professional. Like, I don't want my hair to be bone straight, like silky straight. So yeah, I avoid light relaxer, like I avoid it at all cost. Yeah, so I applied the back section, and at the front I'm just going to do the same thing, section my hair little by little and apply section if I can. Yeah, the growth was too much, guys. You cannot even see my scalp because the growth is just too much. Like, it's just too much. Yeah, it's too much. Yeah, I have like thick, very thick 4C hair, and underneath there, and the other one is already relaxed. I've been relaxing since last year. Yeah, so we're just going to be focusing mainly on the new growth. That is where I'm going to be massaging. I'm not going to be combing my hair with the relaxer. I'm going to massage it so that it softens the hair. Yeah, so just continue to section where you can and apply the relaxer. And yeah, guys, that is how I did it. Yeah, that is how I did it. And if you want to also do the same thing, just do it. And this no light relaxer, guys, is good for people with sensitive scalp like myself. Yeah, it's not too strong. It's not too strong on your scalp, on the hair. That's why I love it. I love that texture look. So if you're someone with a uh skin problem and you want to relax your hair, use this one. Even if you want to do it at the salon, use this one. No lie, it will be gentler on your skin, on your scalp, and also on your hair. And guys, I don't keep the relaxer for too long on my hair. I just, after applying everything, I just make sure that I keep it for less than 10 minutes, guys. Less than 10 minutes. I work as fast as I can to massage the hair and make sure that it's not getting too soft. I don't like my hair to be like bone straight. I don't like it to be silky straight. I like to have a little bit of texture. Yeah, so but if you want like a bone straight look, you can go to the salon and get your hair relaxed by professionals using the light relaxer, and you will get that bone straight look. Yeah, so I'm going to massage my hair as fast as I can. As you can see, I didn't apply the relaxer like on my hairline and at the back, at the perimeter. I'm going to apply that after applying the hair, like after massaging a little bit, I'm going to go to apply the perimeter, because the hair is like it's not as strong as the hair that is on my head. Like the perimeter of the hair is a little bit what's the word, fragile. Yeah, it's a little bit fragile. It's a little fragile. So right here, guys, I'm just massaging the hair, massage. Like I said before, I not combing the hair. And yeah, after massaging a little bit, I'm now going to be applying, starting from the back. I'm going to apply on those on the perimeter of my head. Yeah, apply those little hairs right there at the back, go the way down. Like I said before, when you're applying your Vaseline, make sure you are generous with it. Apply it all the way so that if your chemical goes way down, you won't have any irritations on your skin, because there is a Vaseline barrier that is protecting your skin from the chemical. Yeah, so apply, and I used all of it, guys. I used all of it because my growth was like a lot. But if you are like 3 months post relaxer, you can use half. You can mix half of the relaxer with one sachet of the activator, and then keep the other half when you want to do your other relaxer. Yeah, so apply on the hairline, everywhere, and then I'm going to continue to massage. And I was doing this as quick as I can. Like I said before, I don't like keeping my relaxer for too long on my hair because I want to have a little bit of texture. Yeah, so I'm going to continue to massage the hair. And after massaging the hair, when I see that my hair, like, I'm loving the texture, like, in fact, don't keep it more than 10 minutes, like less than 10 minutes, it will be fine. If you want the same texture as mine, that is if your hair is like thick 4C. If your hair is already soft, don't keep it for like 5 minutes. Keep it for less. Just massage for like less than 5 minutes. Yeah, my hair is thicker. That's why I kept it for like almost 10 minutes. I washed off the relaxer before I could even feel any burns. Yeah, so that is good. Yeah, so I just went ahead and washed it off using the shampoo that came with the kit. And that was step 2. So now step 3, we're now going to use our restorative treatment. Yeah, this is it, guys. I use both sachets. So just apply it on your hands and then you're going to massage it on your hair and your scalp, especially on your hair. Yeah, because we want to do the treatment on the hair because we've just used chemical on it and we want to give it like some strength, yeah, to make sure that it doesn't break, like it stays strong. Yeah, so apply the treatment on the hair, massage it, and then after that I'm going to wear a plastic cap on the hair for like 5 10 minutes, yeah. On the hair, I'm going to keep it in the plastic cap, and then I'm going to wash the treatment off, and then we're going to do the leave-in. Yeah, so just wear your cap like that, and then just keep it on for like 5 to 10 minutes. And then for the method number 4, like step 4, step 4 is the Wonder Potion leave-in conditioner. Just massage it on your hair, and then I'm going to be using a blow dryer to dry my hair, guys. So massage it through, and yeah, guys, this is how the hair was looking like. Massage it even on the scalp. Yeah. So because we used a no light relaxer, your hair is going to be dry. So in order to avoid the dryness, you have to make sure that your hair is always moisturized, and when your hair is moisturized, there's going to be less chances for your hair to break. Yeah, so always make sure that your hair is moisturized. And guys, right there I was using my blow dryer on high heat to dry the hair, and then I just comb and dry as I go, guys. And I loved the end result, guys. I loved the end result, guys, of the hair. Like the texture was there, and I was loving it. And I only use it when after washing my hair. In between my washes, I don't use any heat. I just comb my hair and moisturize it. Yeah. So this is how the hair is looking like, guys. Do let me know what you feel about this video. Let me know if you're going to be relaxing your hair or any post relaxer tips that you have. Leave them down below in the comment section, and we'll also learn from you. Yeah, that's all, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this 6 months post relaxer routine with Jack and Lovely. Let me know what you think about this video, and if you are new, please subscribe and join the family. And if you're already a subscriber, you are the best. I'll see you in the next one. Love you.